Text boxes, Arrange option. The Arrange option in the Format tab controls the order of text boxes and other elements in a Word document. Although a Word document is a two-dimensional file, arranging elements requires a bit of three-dimensional thinking. To make it clearer, let's think of Word document as a stack of layers. The main document, where the main text is the bottom layer of the document. When you create a text box, the text box is on top of the rest of the document. Adding another text box puts the new text box on top of the first one. The illustration here shows how we can think of the gradual layers of a Word document when we have text and two other text boxes and how they are arranged as a stack of layers. Text boxes, Arrange option. With the Arrange option, the text box order can be rearranged. The Arrange section in the Format tab contains three main options: Bring forward, Send backward, and the Selection pane. For now, we will focus on Bring forward and Send backward. The Bring forward option brings the text box forward one spot. The Send backward sends the text box backward one spot. These two options can also be found when you right-click on your text box. Bring to front and Send to back. The Bring to front option brings the text box to the very front, so it is on top of everything else, like the case I have here. While Send to back sends the text box to the very back, so that everything else is on top of it. From Send to back, from its drop-down menu, I will choose Send behind text, as I have a written text behind the text box. Once I click on it, the text box is behind the text. You can see that as you add more effects to your document, it makes it more attractive to the reader. Sometimes you want to design a customized document like for a magazine, and these effects can really help you in make it more beautiful. Shapes. An important feature in the Insert tab in Word document is inserting shapes. Sometimes you may want just a shape with no text for better illustrations, or you want to figure out what shape to use as a text box before you add text to it. To insert a shape, go to Insert tab and then use Shapes, and select a shape from the drop-down menu shown in the illustration here. You have many options that fit any use you might need. Inserting a shape into a Word document. To insert a shape into a Word document, go to Insert, click on Shapes, and a drop-down menu with different options appears. Lines, rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, equation shapes, flowchart, stars and banners are the different categories that are available in this drop-down menu. Here, I will go to block arrows and choose this shape of arrows. Once you select a shape, click and drag to draw the shape, like this. After drawing the shape you want, you can right-click on it and another menu appears with many options. You can change the style, color, and outline of your shape. Some of the other options available in the menu when you right-click on the shape you choose is Edit Text, as you can add a text on this shape, Edit Points, as you can change its borders, Bring to Front, well, the case is that the shape is in front of the text I have, Send to Back, and I can click on Send Behind Text, and the shape is behind the text I have, Wrap text, and in wrap text is another menu. When you hover your cursor among these, you can find the differences and how the shape is positioned in comparison to the text. Tight, through the text, top and bottom, or behind text, or in front of text. You can also rotate the shape you chose or decrease or increase its size.